Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device. So basically, how to manage it. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the users and accounts. Of course, at the, right under it, we've got the Google section, and we can manage Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using users and accounts. So let me tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got our previously added Google account. So let me begin with removing it. Let's tap on it. And here we have to tap on the two dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Tap on remove again. Tap on OK. If you've got any kind of screen locally set, then just enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we just got back to the users and accounts section. We cannot find the our previously added Google account, which means that we just successfully removed it. So in order to add new one, just tap on add account, choose of course Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And what's more, just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. Right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And right here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your VIVO IQOO 5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.